Yeah, them pipes are we're carrying now. Them pipes are called the rider pipes. Then I mean them pipes are right for the bigger pipes that we have below. Like some 22 inches wide pipe. Understand me, the below. Which is big enough to contain the city because the city can't flood it up with whatever pieces them have. You understand what I'm saying? So these are the rider main now we're right on top of that. And we still have a layer of the yeah, we have to watch a truck here too. Yeah, we have to watch a truck. Yeah, they may ride on a big one, them big pipes and down below, right? And they may supply the commercial and residential. So if it's a commercial spot, it's like an 8-inch pipe used. So one of them, that's the smaller one. That's like the residential. It's so small that is that. That's like a 6-inch or it looks like a 6-inch or a 4-inch. Yeah. And them supply go to the yard or the house or the business place. See, but we are carrying them pipe, okay. Plumber car, the supervisor asks if we go for them and we have to do that. We carry 19-inch first. And there are 17-inch because they come with different size, but we cut them down to certain length same way. So that's how it go. Alright. Yeah.